Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be installing something very special. I've been trying to do this for a long time and I finally got it. So I'm gonna be installing this. I mean, it's not coilovers, but whatever. Those are the Eibach Pro Kit. And we're gonna be installing that today. So it's not gonna be a step-by-step video on how to do it because it's really simple. So I'm just gonna show you how I install it, how I do it. So let's do this. I'm gonna show you a before and an after. So yeah, I hope you like it. Let's do this. Okay, I already installed the wheel spacers. I went with the 20mm spacers all around. So let me show you a little bit. Yeah, they look really good. It's basically flush fitment right now. So once I get the car lowered, it's gonna be really nice. Look at that wheel gap. It's like 3 fingers in the front. In the rear is maybe almost 4 fingers. So I hope I can cut that to half or more maybe. So we'll see how it looks. The rear is, like I said, it's flush right now. So yeah, it looks really nice. I like it.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.